I'm getting ready to adjust the lift gate on our 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Looking back here, you can see that this whole lift gate is pushed up on this side. This car hasn't been in any accidents. That was my first thought when we were looking at it, was that it had been in an accident, and that's why it's off. But upon further investigation, and you can see over here, it's sticking out a lot more. Upon further investigation, it appears as though right back here, if you look at the hinge on this side, you can see that it's pretty much flush there. And here on this side, it's sticking out more. So it looks like it's just slipped. And what needs to be done is this needs to be loosened and pushed back. I saw videos on the internet about how to do this, and all of them were saying you really need to take off this rear spoiler, which I didn't want to go through the hassle of doing that. So what I'm going to attempt to do is, with my 13mm socket, loosen this, push it back, and we'll see how the gap looks after that. And here's what I did, is I loosened that bolt there with my 13mm wrench. I could not get the closed end on here. I just had to use the regular one. So it was a little bit tight getting in there. So you can't get that in there. Loosened it up, kind of held it up with one hand. And then I took a screwdriver end here and a rubber mallet. And what I did is I put these on there after it was loose and tapped on it. So it looks better now. Let's see how it looks when it closes. Much better. Much better. Still not absolutely perfect, but definitely better. So I hope this helps. If it does help you, or if you found it interesting even, just go ahead and like and subscribe. That definitely helps me out and keeps me motivated to keep doing these videos. So thanks a lot.